Anhui Mylan Intelligent Equipment Manufacturing Company, Limited, is located in Luan City, Anhui Province, China. The company integrate R&D, manufacture, sales of jaw crusher, cone crusher, feeding and screening machinery, and other large mining machinery, etc. The project constructs on August 8, 2019, and the company began production on June 7, 2020, with a total construction area of 35,000 square meters. Modern, high-standard garden-type production park and office building. There are covering large CNC machining workshop, cold base workshop, assembly line, electrical workshop, hydraulic workshop, spraying workshop, warehouse, management and operation center, R&D center, domestic sales center, and African headquarter in Cameroon. Above this, the company pays more attention to the construction of technical team. We know the importance of crushing system quality in mine application, so in the pre-sale stage of project, we are constantly researching and innovating in every step of product design, raw material selection, cutting, welding, CNC machining, motors, hydraulic assembly technology, warehousing and transportation, etc., from an idea to a page of drawings. From two-dimensional plane to multi-dimensional product presentation, from the National Utility Model Patent to the International Quality Management System certification, continue to ensure that our core products are always leading in the industry. In the process of manufacturing, we strictly inspect from the selection of the raw materials, full comply with industry production standards for every component and production. Professional quality control system, we can ensure that every part and every piece of equipment we produce are qualified products. Our main mine equipment machine products are MJ Series Jaw Crusher, MC Series Single Cylinder Hydraulic Cone Crusher, ML Series Vertical Shaft Impact Crusher, MA/MK Series Circular Vibrating Screen, MS Series 3-Axis Horizontal Screen, MGD Series Vibrating Feeder, MGS Series Vibrating Feeder, MGB Series Hopper Discharge Feeder, etc. All products will be tested strictly on the test platform before leaving the factory to ensure that all data are up to standard before shipping. Our wholly owned overseas company, CMCC, Cameroon Mylan Construction Company, currently owns 5 large-scale open-pit aggregate mines with 100 service technician team, which provide rich experiences and supports for after-sales solutions. With the commitment of one heart, one art, we can offer our customer one-stop service from high-quality materials, supportive technology, and comprehensive aftermarket solutions at every stage of the cooperations.